how to change TikTok name. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your TikTok name, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change the TikTok name, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, what you want to do is just come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you come to the profile page, you're basically going to see this type of interface over here, where what you need to do is just tap the three lines icon from the top right and then just go to settings and privacy, then just go to account here, and at the top you'll be able to see account information. You can tap on it to change all of your contact info and so on. Now what if you want to change the name? Well, to change the name, once you're on the profile page, you want to make sure to just tap the edit profile option, and here you can see name and then here you can see username. So if you'd like to change the name, then first of all you can tap the name tab and then just make sure to enter the new name that you want to use and then tap on the save option from the very top right hand side. And if you'd like to change your username in this case, then you can just come back again and then just tap the username option this time, enter the new username that you'd like to use, and then once you've done that, just tap the save option from the top right to save your changes. Once you change your name, you will not be able to change it for the next 7 days, and once you change the username, you will not be able to change it for the next 30 days. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.